Hi everyone, my name is Murad. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to discuss 3 common mistakes that we do whenever we create pipelines. So the first one is poor error handling and logging. So let's get started. So let's say we are ingesting data from one source to another. In this case, we want to make sure that if everything goes well, we are sending the logging data to our database or somewhere else. So for that reason, we can use stored procedure. Let's say in success, we will send data to our database. If something goes wrong, then we will use one of this activity and we will send the data we will send alert to someone. It could be you or it could be someone else through email or Teams or maybe third-party tools. Okay, so the second issue or problem is hard coding file names, table names, database connections, so which will make it very difficult to maintain in the future. Let's say we have copy data activity again, and let's say we are syncing into in table, but we know we don't want to hard code that table name. So for that reason, we need to use parameters very often. This will make it easy to maintain the pipeline. And if, let's say, we have lots of copy data activity in our pipeline, if something changes, let's say file name or table name has changed, then you have to go to the pipeline and change each activity with the new table name, which is not a good idea. So for that reason, we need to use parameters very, very often. And in this case, I can just come here and I can, as you can see, the table is shown here. So I can just use this. Okay, the last one of the most popular mistake is not adding enough data quality validations. So this validation can be any type of validation. It could be null check, row count check, or it could be, let's say you are ingesting data from CSV file. You need to make sure that CSV file is equal to the file you want to ingest from. So that way you need to add some kind of activity to make sure that file name is the one you want. So for this reason, I think we can, for example, we can use lookup and we can check row count for source. Okay, and let's say we can add something like let me open this, select let me actually paste the code. Okay, let's say we can do something like this. Then because we are using parameter, we can do something like this. So that way it's dynamic and we make sure that our source has our data source row count matches with this sync row count, which is a good validation for our database. Okay, and then of course you need to add on failure, you need to add some type of alerting, and if everything goes very well, you add store procedure and you log the data information to your database that you have ingested this table in this time. And that was all from me for today. Thanks for watching my videos and let me know if they are helpful. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.